Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add meme overlays from TikTok to your videos without any annoying watermarks. So let's dive in. First things first, hop onto TikTok and search for the user iGreenScreenThings. They've got some great meme content that you can use. Found the meme you want? Awesome. Now tap on the video and then hit copy link. Now, here's where the magic happens. We all know downloading directly from TikTok gives us that pesky watermark, right? We don't want that, so open your browser and search for snaptik.app. Paste the TikTok link here, and voila! You can now download the video without any watermark. Now, open Capcut on your device and upload the meme video you've just downloaded. Our next step is go to the Overlay tab, then tap on the right side tab and choose Video. Here, select the Cut Up option. Now, tap on Chroma key. Here's the fun part. Click on the color picker and choose the green screen background from your meme. Adjust the strength all the way up to 100 for the best effect. And there you go. The background disappears like magic. You can now resize, move, or adjust the meme any way you want in your video. And that's it. You've just added a meme to your video without any watermarks or hiccups. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!